Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access SiteGround's help center. So just tap on official SiteGround website. So before you creating an account, you will have to purchase a plan, and if you want to buy a premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. So uh, after logging your account, to get help from our team, first log into the client area and look for the icon in the top right corner. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. Click view help center, which will take you to help center home page, where you can use our automated assistant, AI assistant, to get help with your problems. So make sure so after next, you can select the category. So choose the category chat or call. So if you choose the chat option, you will be redirected to chat with one of our support agent. At the end of the chat, you will be able to rate it and leave feedback. So you must go on go chat. So you can edit the subject of your ticket and describe your issue in detail. Note that you can upload a file if you need to. So you can just attach the file of your problem, and once you confirm and submit your ticket, you can view it from your help center support history. And if you are unsatisfied with the resolution from the ticket channel, you can ask to have your ticket escalated to a supervisor. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.